The Splendor is the next big thing from Qualcomm. The Snapdragon Gen 3 has now been officially announced as the most major update for the official Galaxy S24 Ultra. On October 24th, Qualcomm will unveil their latest flagship processor, which will be included in the S24 series. According to the tagline, Qualcomm definitely has big plans for the next-gen flagships of 2023, and this is completely in line with what the leaks are saying. The 8 Gen 3 could shape up to be a pretty beastly upgrade compared to the 8 Gen 2. Not only that, but we have our second official news of the week, which is about the unpacking event for foldables. According to Samsung's president, it will take place in South Korea for the first time in years. No specific date was given, but it is expected to take place on July 25th or July 26th. In addition, we have some unique camera information about the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This information comes from Galaxy Club, who have a good track record, and according to their sources, Samsung may replace the 3x optical zoom lens with a fresh new 5x optical zoom sensor. This is in addition to the 10x periscope zoom, however we don't know what sort of zoom sensor it has. It might be the continuous zoom that can run from 3x to 5x level, or it could simply be a conventional 5x lens. For anything below 5x, Samsung is supposedly creating a new technology called ISO Cell Zoom and ISO Cell Zoom Pro. It will essentially use the primary 200 meso camera sensor for those lesser zoom ratios without sacrificing quality. Of course, nothing is final yet, so a lot of things might still change, but one thing that is consistent across these leaks is that the 3x lens is being replaced with something better. Last but not least, according to Ice Universe, the strange model number we noticed about the Galaxy handset from the Geekbench database is really a Galaxy S23 Ultra, with the Exynos 2300 processor. Samsung will not distribute this model to the public. Instead, it may be used for internal development testing until Exynos improves to the point where it can be formally released, which is estimated to happen in 2025. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.